Hi everyone, Heath Lashmate here with Heartland Prowler. I'd like to introduce you to our new 323BR. I'd like to introduce you guys to the brand new living space that we have here in the Prowler 323BR. What you're gonna see is this nice TV viewing angle here with your entertainment system, and a lot of your new Prowlers are gonna be also coming with the fireplace, which is new for the 2022 Prowlers. Now if we move over here to the sofa, you're gonna see a nice dark color here. We call this our anthracite. This is new for 2022, but we're also gonna offer a lighter gray color, which is gonna be called Malibu. Another great thing about this 323BR is our extra large countertop and kitchen space. As you're gonna see, we have a lot of cabinet space up above. We have our seamless thermofoil countertops down below, double bowl stainless steel sink for the kitchen. If we move over here, we have our 10.7 cube 12 volt refrigerator, and we also have an 8 cube gas electric refrigerator option. And then if we move over here, a great pantry space. Extra large pantry, full depth. You can remove the shelves and modify it however fits you and your family's needs. I'd like to introduce you guys to the master bedroom in the 323BR. What you can see is what we've done different. This is the first Prowler floor plan with a king size bed. So we put the king size bed in the bed slide. You're gonna have extra storage underneath. You're also gonna have storage accessible from the outside, and a lot of storage over here on your far wall. You got a dual shirt wardrobes right here for all those hanging items, a lot of space down below to keep everything concealed, and an extra large TV viewing angle here for your 55-inch TV in your master bedroom. Inside the bathroom on the 323BR, you'll see on the left side of the sink you have storage running floor to ceiling all the way up, and you have a nice radius shower with skylight for extra headroom for those taller campers. Now I'm going to take you to the crown jewel of the 323BR, and that is our front bunk room. What you're going to have in the front bunk room is a nice double over double bed configuration, but the great part is that you can change your bottom bunk configuration to best fit your camping needs. You can make it a double over single, or you can take the bottom bunks out completely and use it as storage, or put a beanbag chair or whatever fits your camper's needs and have a great entertaining little space for your young campers or any friends that might come along with you. And what you're gonna have in this front bunk room is you're also gonna have a storage door that you can load your bikes, your coolers, any of your camping items from outside the coach inside the coach. And we can put these bunks up, and you have that extra storage space up front to have like a little garage area for anything you might want to put in your unit. Another great part about this front bunk room is this versatile storage area. What you're gonna have is you're gonna have removable shelves, so you can make a little entertainment area if you want to, or you can put your clothes and things in here. You can remove a shelf if you have a taller item, but you also over here have a washer dryer prep inside this front bunk room. And you have enough space right here to put a stackable washer and dryer. So if you need to have a washer and dryer and that's part of your camping needs, you have a great prep right here for that. And then you see up here, we have a tire monitoring prep on this unit as well. I'd like to thank you for taking the time to walk through our new 2022 Prowler 323BR. Please visit heartlandrvs.com to learn more.